Good morning, guys. Today's another beautiful morning, and it's currently 7:42 a.m. in the morning. And yesterday's trade was a crazy trade because I just got stopped out from the trade, and look at this crazy trade. It got to my take profit this morning, but I already got stopped out with weak, and immediately price stopped me out yesterday. Price came back down with an aggressive candle, and it is what it is sometimes. And yesterday is one of the days that I don't really like because of what happened, and it's crazy. But fortunately for me, I got another re-entry around 3:30 this morning, and it was a good trade. I got to take profit, and I made almost 1% because I was risking like 0.4% of my account. So I don't want to incur a very big loss during the share session, but it was a good trade, and I won around, it was close to $50. It was close to 1% of my account, and it's good. So currently my account is down of about 1.2 or 1.3%, because I lost like 2% yesterday. So I made 1% today, so I'm currently down 1%. So what I'm currently having here is I want to look for a buy signal on this pair. And why am I looking for a buy signal? Price is currently retesting a very recent support here that I would want to see price show some reaction from, and it's currently giving me a reaction from there. So if price should close bearish like this and another candle starts pushing up bullish, then I'll start looking for buys from this pair to go for long. So yeah, and I'll be targeting 1:2 for this trade, which is gonna be, I'll be risking $25 to make 50 on this trade. So yeah, that is what I'm having here right now. Hopefully price is gonna give us the complete formation of this pattern.
Today is Thursday, and I want to share with you guys the update on my $5,000 Stellar Lite account that I bought with Funded Next on Sunday. And so far on the account, it's not really going that well because I didn't know this week is gonna be like this. Because on Monday I had 2 losses on Monday, and I was down of about 2% on Monday. It was 2% loss on Monday that I had, and on Tuesday I had one winning trade, but I was risking 0.5 of my account, which brought me to a 1% win because I was taking my profit at 1:2. So I won the trade on Tuesday, but I later lose 2 trades which were 3% in total on Tuesday. And on Wednesday was a bad day for me. I took 1 loss and 1 break even, but the break even trade was, I already took a partial profit from the break even because price was literally so close to my take profit with about 10 pips to take profit, but price reversed. But I managed to book some partial profit on the trade, and I later got stopped out at break even this morning. And today is Thursday, and I've already taken a winning trade of about 1:3, and I was risking 1.5% of my account, but I took partial profit at 1:2, so I didn't really make that much, but it was actually a substantial amount in regards to percentage of my account. It's not really that much, but in regards to the percentage of my account, it was a substantial return to make on a single trade. So I'm going to show you guys the recap of the trades after the whole of my trading activity today, and I'm still hoping to take another trade today because price is literally giving me another reason to take an entry, but I'm just waiting for the entry signal to complete so that I can take the trade. And if the entry signal is not completed, that means I'm going to wait the trade out, and if I didn't later get to take an entry on the trade, I'm going to wait till tomorrow, which is Friday. And mostly on Fridays I tend to be very careful when I trade because Friday usually end like bad for me, because last week Friday was a bad trading day for me, and upper last week Friday was also a bad trading day for me because I did some emotional trading on those 2 Fridays that I mentioned. And this Friday I will be very careful to not be emotional with my trades, and I'm still growing, I'm still learning, and I'm still trying to adapt. And one thing that I've learned this week is there will never be a consistency, there will never be a progress with you being a consistent trader if you don't have any rules. If you don't have set of rules that you follow, you are not going to be consistent, because for you to be a consistent trader, you have to follow certain rules in this trading game. It doesn't matter the strategy you use, it doesn't matter your risk reward. If you cannot follow a rule, if you cannot follow rules, you're not going to make profit. But fortunately for me, on my account, I'm up about 2.25%. So yeah, let's see what today is going to bring and what tomorrow is going to bring, which is Friday. So I'll bring another update tomorrow, which is Friday. So let me take you guys to the screen and show you how I took my trades. These are all the trades that I've taken so far for this week. I have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And out of these 10 trades, I've only won 1, 2, and 3. So I only won 3 trades out of these 10 trades, and I lost almost every other trade that I took. So this was on Monday that I took a loss of 1.5%. I took a loss of 0.5% here, and I was down on Monday with 2%. So I won 1% here because I was risking 0.5, and I lost 0.5 here. I lost 1.5% here. I lost 1.5% here. So I was down 2% this day. So 2% on Tuesday, 2% on Monday. That's 4% down for the week. I lost 0.5% here, and I won 2% here. So I only made 1.5% on this day. But today is an amazing day, and my first trade for the day gave me a very good 3%. So I made 3% here. I lost this trade, and I'm currently in small profit on this trade, and I'm currently looking to exit this trade because it's already getting late and I don't really like the way price is moving. So this is my current balance. So this is my current balance on this account. Initially, I was up about $5,110, which is about 2% of my account. So I was up 2% on this account, but I took a 1% loss here. So plus charges of those trades that I took. So that was why the account is so plus the charges of the trade that I took. That was why this balance is not up to 1% profit, but I still count it as 1%. So yeah, and something is actually very funny today because I wanted to sell this price down to this region here, but price didn't really come back to take the liquidity at this area. So I was expecting a spike up, then I'll look for sell from there to the downside, but price didn't give me that, and it started tanking to the downside. This buy that I took was for me to ride the market back up to this area to take the high that has been created, or maybe probably break this area of resistance or area of support and resistance to the upside. But I will be looking to close this trade very soon because I'm not really comfortable with the way price is moving. The volume is very low right now, and this is currently how much price is running for me. So yeah, I'll close this trade very soon. And for this week, I can really say this week is a very struggling week for me because I was struggling, to be very honest, and I took way more trades than I really expected that I was gonna take. I am not really expecting to take this much trade this week because most times I take maybe like 6 trades in a week or 5 trades in a week, but this week gave me a lot of opportunity and I took way more losses than I win. So I was at some point down of about 6% of my account, and I only had 4% left. And today I made only, okay, let me go to today. So I've only made I made 4% for today. So I took some losses. These are the losses that I took. So I made 4% for the day. So yeah, tomorrow is Friday, and I'm going to bring more updates about the account. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow.